18-year-old Clarendon College student found stabbed to death at her home in Bushy Park, Clarendon. A sixth form student of Clarendon College was found stabbed to death on Thursday morning as the bloodletting continues across Jamaica. The deceased has been identified as Avinash Gordon, 18 years old, of Bushy Park in Clarendon. Reports are that Avinash was found at about 2:30 a.m. lying in a room at her home with stab wounds to her upper body. The Maypen police are investigating. A number of Avinash's friends have taken to social media to express grief and shock over her passing. OMG, princess, wake up. It is unbelievable, one friend said. Another said, I can't believe all no, girl, shake my head, please come back. Like her mother, teachers and pupils at Clarendon College have reacted with shock, grief and anger over the horrific murder of Gordon. Her mother, Lila Manning, popularly known as Grace, was in total grief between sobs.
Lila Manning, everybody know me as Grace. My daughter name Avinash Gordon, she in the upper 6 at Clarendon College.
Wailing and repetitions of why them kill my daughter. She related that her last conversation with her daughter was on Wednesday afternoon, which ended with the expression, I love you, mommy.
The last thing she said to me, said, Mommy, I love you yesterday. Oh God.
Manning said her daughter lived with her and a niece and was not someone who was involved in any way that she could think of relative to her death. She said the killer could not go far enough not to be caught and recommended a surrender.
He called for better find himself on my station. I could have go in a moon. He might go find him.
The tragic loss of the student, who was described as bright and promising, has left many from the school community grappling for answers. The principal, David Wilson, spoke about the development and described the killing as horrific. We are shocked and horrified at this time, and we are really trying to come to terms with the news, Wilson said. She was a very promising student, and their death has left us all in shock, elaborated the principal. Another teacher also described the deceased as having been hardworking and said, based on conversation with her in the past, Gordon wanted to become a doctor. She was a hard worker, a student with a lot of potential. Her death has left us all in shock, said the teacher. Sad.
Little Manning, everybody know me as Grace. My daughter name Avinash Gordon, she in the upper 6 at Clarendon College. Please don't borrow up in her house and kill her. She don't make trouble with people, she don't beg, she don't borrow. And I kill her for none at all. He called for better find himself on my station. I could have go in a moon. He might go find him.
So what happened, Miss Manning? What happened?
In Bushy Park, Fern Close.
When? You were in what room? Tell me about your daughter. Just tell me about your daughter.
She's nice. She's quiet. She's fun. Oh God. She's so fun. The last thing she said to me, said, Mommy, I love you yesterday. Oh God. Why they kill me, baby? Why? Why don't they kill me, baby? Why? My baby don't trouble.
What were you for the killer? Oh.
You better kill her, you better find yourself about station. You better give yourself. Get her running that moon, member, me tell her, say. Me have a find you. You could have gone in her son. Me have a find you. So I better you come to station to give yourself.
There was a break in the house or anything?
It don't look like no breaking.
So she was still in school now, Miss Grace?
Yes. I miss you down there. No.
Come out there, son, and come. Can't manage no more. No, here, see. Come lay down. Come. Jesus. Go to Ryan and open and I'll vomit in the ground. kind of bed. Kind of bed.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.